Hey guys, it's Michon Rastopchin with Equity Real Estate, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of our new listing located in the South Rim at Foremaster Ridge. This home is located in the heart of St. George, walking distance away from Dixie Regional Medical Center and just a short drive to Costco. This property is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2,450 square foot home sitting on a 0.24 acre lot. So let's go inside and see what this property has to offer. This home features a beautiful, huge open floor plan with plenty of room to entertain. My favorite part about this home is this gorgeous custom kitchen. I love this giant center island, and I really love this gorgeous navy finish. This kitchen features custom cabinets with a soft close. The centerpiece of this living room is this beautiful fireplace, and the best part is it's gas, so you don't have to worry about firewood. Let's go check out the master suite. The best part about this huge master bedroom is this gorgeous master bath. My favorite part about this master bathroom is this wet room. It has a large soaking tub. We've got this beautiful bronze shower panel that features 8 body jets, a detachable shower head, and the rainfall shower. And of course, it has a his and her sink and a huge master closet. Check out this huge master closet. There is so much room for activities. Look what I can do. Thank you for joining me on a tour of this beautiful property. If you'd like to see it in person, please don't hesitate to give me a call. If you have any questions about this property or any other property in Washington County, please feel free to reach out to me. If you're thinking about selling your Southern Utah home and wondering what the current market value is, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help you market your home. Thank you for joining me.